everybody, this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to share some of the new fountain pen inks that I've gotten recently from various online sales as well as deals from Fountain Pen Day. I'm really excited about this haul of inks because it includes brands that I've never tried before, like Wearing Glow, I hope I'm saying that right, and Ferris Wheel Press. Both of the orders that I placed are from Goulet Pens. The overarching deal was that if you spent a certain amount of money, then you got a certain amount of samples. If you spent under $50, you get one sample, and then I think $50 to $99 it was 5 samples, and over $99 it was 10 samples. Along with that, there was also a bunch of items added to their sales and deals section, so a lot of inks were discounted and a lot of fountain pens as well. And if you got a fountain pen, I think a lot of them also came with free gifts. There's a lot going on there, and I am an ink hoarder, so I definitely wanted to pick up some new inks that I otherwise would not have bought. I don't know if it's worth addressing, but I know that Ferris Wheel Press has a bit of a reputation online. I'm personally a victim to their packaging, and I've always wanted to try their inks, so I thought this was a great opportunity to do so. So Ferris Wheel Press has 2 different types of inks. They have 2 different bottles. This is 20 milliliters. And this one is 38 milliliters. And usually these are kind of special. They have a lot more, I think the ones that come out in this form have a lot more shimmer and a lot more sheen. These tend to have less of that attribute, but a lot of them still do have shimmer. So these are all of the Ferris Wheel Press inks that I got. I know it's a lot, and I know I have a problem, but I can't stop myself. And then I got 2 of the 30 milliliters. So this first one, which I have already unboxed, is called Mulberry Majesty, and it is purple with some rose gold shimmer. You can see at the bottom here. This one is Spadina Rose, and I think it is a pink ink with no shimmer in it. This one is called Stroke of Midnight, and I think it is a black ink with some silver shimmer in it. This one is Russet Typecase, and it is a it's a brown color with no shimmer, but I think it shades really well. This one is the Sad Charade. It is a bluish green with no shimmer in it. This is Oyster Hour. I almost wasn't going to get this one because I don't like the name, but I really like the color. It is a little lighter than the other brown, I believe. And the last one I have is Blue Revelry, and I think this is blue with some gold shimmer in it. Okay, never mind. The glitter is quite iridescent, and it is this blue color. For the 20 milliliter inks, this one is Moonbeam Meadows, and it is purple with this sort of iridescent shimmer. And the other one I got is Whispers of Twilight, and these boxes on the side, they actually tell you what's inside, so I'm not just guessing. It is a purple color. It is a purple ink with no sheen and some silver shimmer. The other brand I wanted to try is Wearing Glow. These 2 are in their boxes because they are a different shipment. These 2 inks are unboxed because I got them earlier. So, first one I have is A Little Princess, and it is purple with some gold shimmer. Second one is called Wendy Darling, and this image changes when you move it around. It is from the Peter Pan collection. It's a blue ink with some silver shimmer, and when you swirl it around, it looks really cool. Next up, I have the Happy Prince. Based on this design, I think it is a blue ink with gold shimmer. And the last one is the Nightingale and the Rose. It is a brown ink with some red shimmer. Sorry I didn't unbox everything. I just felt like it would take a long time, and I just wanted to show you what I got. But I mostly made the decisions at the moment from the pictures on the website. The last ink I got is from Colorverse. I do not need any more Colorverse inks, but I've always been really fond of this one. It's called The Giant Potato, and I think it is just a brown color. The Colorverse did a USA collection where they had like 50 inks from each of the different states, and I kind of want the whole collection, but I think it came out a while ago, so if I were to get the whole thing now, I don't think I can buy it as a set, and it'd be really expensive. So I think I would just collect the ones that interest me. Because I spent over $100, they gave me this set of 10 ink samples. The first one is called Diamond Passion Flower, and it is this purple ink. Second one is from Jacques Urban, and it is Vert Cactus. It is this green color. I don't know if you can see the color at all. Third, Diamond Forever Butterscotch. This is Robert Oster Crocodile Green. I don't think I have anything like this. It's like chartreuse. This is Robert Oster Fire and Ice. I actually have this already, and it is a blue with a really good red sheen. This is Noodler's Beaver. I seem to have gotten a lot of brownings. This is Rotter and Kleiner. I hope I'm saying that right. This is Helianthus. Is this bright orange color? I don't have anything from this brand. This one is Diatramentis Whiskey Brown Copper, and it looks really metallic. This is Robert Oster Whiskey, and the last one I got is from Jacques Herbin. It is Stormy Gray. The last item I got, which is not fountain pen ink, is this set of ink art cards from Colorverse. They are called Color Space, I guess. This is the size C. So, okay, you can kind of see the design if I turn it around in the light. Basically, each of these spaces you can fill in with an ink and it will show off the property really well. And I just wanted to have some of these. I was looking for these cards in Japan, but I didn't find any, so I just bought these in the sale. I just wanted a cute way to display and keep track of my ink collection, because right now I'm not really writing on any sort of fountain pen paper specifically, but I want to start selling samples and I want my customers to know what kind of color they're getting. So those are the recent additions to my fountain pen ink collection, as well as all the items that I got from Fountain Pen Day. I'm not an expert of any kind, but there are specific things that I like. Please comment down below if you are a fountain pen user, and please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!